Hey everybody, today we're going to do, what is this? Cinnamon apple cupcakes from Hostess. Hopefully I got a decent range there. Let's get into it. See what happens. Too much packaging. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Okay, we have the obvious packaging and the cupcake inside there. Smells good from here. Amazing. Just park all this here and peel it away from the paper. That's what the top looks like. It has some kind of a reddish swirled icing on top, plus the primary covering or icing covering, which is obviously the caramel, but it looks really tannish. There's the bottom of it, there's the sides of it. Pretty much what a Hostess cupcake looks like. Let's give it a shot. Wow, you can really tell the caramel, and that's what the interior looks like. There's, if you will, looks like the caramel center. There is a definitive taste of apple. You can really tell the difference between the two as they combine into one as you're eating, as you're chewing through it. Effectively, this is a very good cupcake. I'd give it a 3 because of the size, you know, and the overall, the texture, it's like, if you will, more solid than a Twinkie, but at the same time, it has the same, made of the same material, I suppose. It's just denser. But it really you can really taste the difference between the apple flavoring and the caramel flavoring. Very good. I'm not going to sit here and eat this in front of you and what have you. So this will be the end of this video. Like and subscribe, and thank you very much.